everyone. Today, we are going to master articles using our super easy 3-step method. Articles are just little words we put before nouns to show whether we are talking about any random thing or one specific thing. Let's look at our 3 examples to see how it works. Example 1. The consonant rule. A. Step 1. We use A when we mean one general item and the word starts with a consonant sound, like B, C, D, T. Look at this desk. If I need something to read, I say, I want to read a book. It doesn't matter which book, just any book. Because book starts with the consonant B, we use A. Example 2. The vowel rule. An. Step 2. What if the word starts with a vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. It's hard to say or apple, it sounds bumpy. So, to make it smooth, we use an. For example, I am eating an apple. Apple starts with the vowel sound A, so it easily becomes an apple. Example 3. The specific rule. The. Now, step 3 is for special specific things. When we are talking about one particular thing that everyone knows, we use the. Look out the window. There is only one sun in our sky, right? So we say, the sun is shining brightly today. We use they because it is a specific, unique thing. Remember our easy 3, a for general consonants and for general vowels and the for specific things. Who wants to try making their own sentence?